This is Skill Practice 19. We're going to talk about ionic bonding, and I'm Shannon. Okay, first we're going to write the symbol and charges for the following ions. Let's start with phosphide. First step is to figure out the symbol. You can either Google it, look at Chem Cruncher, or if you have it memorized. And so the symbol for phosphide is P. Next we're going to find phosphide in the periodic table. It's right there. So then we're going to look at how many groups away phosphide is from the noble gases, so we can figure out the charge. And phosphide is 3. Noble gases are 3 to the right, which means that P is negative. So it's P3 minus. Next we're going to look at aluminum. First up, figure out the symbol, which is Al. Next we're going to find aluminum in the table, right there. Now we'll see how far away it is from the noble gases, which is 3 to the left, meaning that it's positive. So aluminum is Al with a 3 plus charge. Each of the following formulas is written incorrectly, so we're going to rewrite them correctly. First, we're going to find the charge of rubidium, Rb. So there's Rb, and it's got a 1 minus charge, or 1 plus charge. Next we find the charge of N, so there's N, and it's got a 3 minus charge. So we balance it out, so the charge is equal to 0, and since we got 1 plus for rubidium and 3 minus for N, we need 3 rubidiums and 1 nitrogen. So end up with Rb3N. Next we're going to look at this one. First we found the charge of N, which is 3 minus. Next we're going to find charge of aluminum, which is 3 plus. And now we balance it out. And so it's 3 plus and 3 minus. We need 1 aluminum and 1 nitrogen. So I end up with Aln. Okay, so now we're going to write the formula for the compound formed by the combination of the following pairs of atoms. So I have aluminum and chlorine. First we can find the charge of aluminum, which is 3 plus, and we find the charge of Cl, which is 1 minus. Now we balance it out and see that there's 3 plus charge for aluminum, 1 minus for chlorine, so we need 1 aluminum and 3 chlorines, which gives us the formula AlCl3. Now we're going to look at phosphorus and calcium. So first find the charge of P, which is 3 minus, and we find the charge of calcium, which is 2 plus. Now we balance it out, so we got 2 plus and 3 minus, so we need 3 calcium and 2 phosphorus. So we get the formula Ca3P2. Okay, so now for those 2 questions that we just did, we're going to write the names of those compounds. So for the first one, we name the first element, which is aluminum. Then we name the second element and add an "-ide" ending to it, since it's an ionic, so we add the "-ide" ending, and we get chloride. Then we put them together to get aluminum chloride. Now we're going to look at the next one. Name the first element, calcium. Second element, with the "-ide" ending, phosphide. And put them together to get calcium phosphide. Okay, now we're going to label the charges of each of the columns below. And so first we know that noble gases have no charge, so 0 goes there. Then we know that Mg has a 2 plus charge, and it's in the second column, therefore 2 plus goes there. Now we know that O has a 2 minus charge and is in the third column from the right, so it's 2 minus for that column. And we know aluminum has a 3 plus charge, and it's in the third column right there, so that column gets 3 plus. And we know C can either be 4 minus or 4 plus charge. It's in the middle column, so 4 plus or 4 minus goes right there. Next we have N, which is 3 minus charge, so 3 minus goes there.